So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to register into ACCA. With the new system and the new portal, the process has changed. The process has become a little more lengthy. So let's walk through on how to register for ACCA. Open your official website accaglobal.com and then click on the apply now button. Now typically अगर आप खुद से register कर रहे हो then I intend to study independently is the option that you would be selecting. अगर आप कोई approved learning provider के through register करते हो, which is in the case of if you're applying exemptions, be it 5 papers, 9 papers, whatever is the scenario, then you will have to click on this tab and the process is slightly different because पहले आपको request आएगा approved learning provider से, आप उस email को confirm करोगे and then you will go ahead. However, the application is the same. Now, when you click on I intend to study independently, you will get choose your qualification. Then you will say apply into the ACCA examination. Now, this opens a dashboard sign into my ACCA. Typically, आपके पास कोई user ID password नहीं होगा, then just come down and say create an account. To create an account, first you will have to give any email address that you have. Put in your email address, then you'll ask for a verification code. After you put in the verification code that's come into your Gmail, you will be able to proceed ahead. Then you have to confirm the address. And you'll have to set in a password which needs to meet all the criteria, 12 characters, numbers, uppercase, lowercase, anything. Then you fill in your first name. And then you accept ACCA's conditions and then you click continue. Then you get an option to start the application. So scroll down, say start application. So this process has become really lengthy. पहले ये process नहीं था, पहले तो आप simply click करते थे, form open होता था, हम भरते थे, and then we would go ahead. And here also you can see there are now 8 sections to fill in a lot of information, lot of consent has been asked by ACCA. So fill in your basic details, date of birth, gender, address, email ID, basic details आप भरिए यहाँ पे. इन केस ऑफ केयर ऑफ पार्टी एड्रेस आपको वो एड्रेस डालना है जो आप अदर देन योर परमानेंट एड्रेस. तो परमानेंट एड्रेस आपका हाउस हो गया एंड लेट्स से यू आर स्टेइंग समवेयर एल्स मे बी इन दिल्ली बॉम्बे, सो यू कैन पुट दैट एड्रेस सो दैट कम्युनिकेशंस कम ओवर देयर एंड सेम है तो यू कैन लीव इट ब्लैंक. देन वी क्लिक ऑन सेव एंड कंटिन्यू. And now this is important, the registration code. In case you want to apply for any exemption, you have to put in a code here. तो अगर आप कोई approved learning provider के through register कर रहे हो तो please get the code from them. And please note अगर आपने यहाँ पे कोई code नहीं लगाया तो आपको exemptions नहीं मिलेंगे. Apply a code for your exemptions and this happens only at the time of registrations. आप बाद में जाके आप exemptions claim नहीं कर सकते. एंड आपको बहुत सारे डिस्काउंट्स मिलते हैं अगर आप कोई भी अप्रूव लर्निंग प्रोवाइडर के साथ कोई भी कोड लगाते हो तो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर अ 8 पेपर कंडीशनल एग्जेम्पशन स्टूडेंट ACCA का कॉस्ट कम डाउन फ्रॉम 3 लाख to 1.7 lakhs. And if you're interested on how this happens and how to register, you can contact me and I'll help you figure it out. So we do save and continue. हम यहाँ पे कोई भी कोड नहीं लगाएंगे. Typically, if you're a 13 paper student, आप कोई कोड नहीं लगाओगे. Then they are asking इफ यू मे स्विच टू अनदर क्वालिफिकेशन, जैसे कि अगर आप FIA से रजिस्टर करते हो तो FIA टू ACCA, इफ यू शुड बी एलिजिबल फॉर स्विचिंग और नो, आप ये सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो टू बी ऑन द सेफर साइड. से सेव एंड कंटिन्यू. Next, you have to upload your documents. Under the ID documents, you upload your ID proof. Typically in India, Aadhaar or passport is something that is acceptable. Entry requirement में you will have to upload your 12 standard marks card for ACCA qualification. एग्जेम्पशन में जो भी आपके एग्जेम्पशंस के डॉक्यूमेंट है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप BCom completed हो देन डिग्री इज रिक्वायर्ड, मार्क्स कार्ड विल नॉट वर्क. इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर कंडीशनल एग्जेम्पशन देन यू रिक्वायर अ प्रूफ फ्रॉम कॉलेज लाइक अ बोनाफाइड ID. That would be required. If you're a CA qualified, आपके CA completion या फिर आपके CA final inter की marks card, all those are the documents required for exemption. Once you've uploaded your documents, click on save and continue. And then ACCA is asking you for some, consent. If they can send you SMS, if they can send you the result via SMS, if they can communicate for further ACCA event like member ceremony, any learning event? Can they share your data with third party? Can they share your information with employers? Can they publish your result as ACCA finalist? Include you while counting the passing percentage of ACCA. So you can select yes or no as per your choice. Then they're asking you how did you know about ACCA. So they're trying to improvise on how they can make ACCA course more popular is what I'm guessing. Then you need to accept to all the terms and conditions of ACCA, because if you're not going to accept, you cannot typically register. So you have to accept, but please give this a reading. Then do save and continue. And the last step is to pay the fees. So you will have to pay your registration fees. Just quickly confirm all your details, come down, and then you click on submit, and then it will ask you to pay your initial registration fees, which is £30 in every normal case and £20 in case of conditional exemption. So this is how you go about registering for your ACCA application. However, if you are still getting stuck, you are still facing any problem, you want assistance in applying for exemption, you can always feel free to reach out to me. I'm an ACCA member and I'll be very happy to help future ACCA members for this. I hope you found this video useful. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and do share it with your more ACCA aspirant friends. And I'll be back with more such helpful content for all of you. So till then, take care. See you all.